Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 424 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Smashbox Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is a sample that I got from a recent Ulta beauty break. So it was like a Smashbox little sample set that you got if you spend a certain amount during a certain time frame online. You got this free Smashbox set. So that's how I got this. I have it in the shade Bawse, spelled B-A-W-S-E. But so this retails for $24 and it comes in such a variety of beautiful shades. There's so many to choose from, and it's cruelty free, and it just sounds like such a great lipstick. It has primer oil infused in it that's supposed to condition your lips, which sounds amazing to me because I have such dry lips, and a liquid lipstick that claims to be always on is right up my alley because I love long-lasting lip products. If you watch my channel, you probably know that. But so let's go ahead and start out by swatching this. Ooh, nice applicator. It's like a pointed doe foot applicator. Whoa, that is really creamy and full pigment, gorgeous, like a blue-red shade. Let's go ahead and see how this looks. Whoa, I am so impressed by how you only need just one layer to get full, bright, opaque color. This does not need a second layer at all, and this just looks amazing on my dry lips. It's not clinging to any dry patches. It looks so smooth and even, and this matte finish is so nice. It does dry down relatively quickly, but it feels very comfortable. It's not like a chalky, drying feeling at all. It feels so soothing to my lips, and I love this shade. It's such a beautiful, true red. I feel like this would look beautiful on everyone, so I love those types of red shades. And what I'm really interested to see is how the transfer test goes. Like, you can kind of see a faint outline. Still the tiniest bit, but it looks perfect on my lips. Yay! I was really hoping that this would actually be always on, long lasting, and it is. It's going to stay on even through eating and drinking. So this is exactly what I was hoping for. Oh my gosh, I am so excited that I have this. This is like my perfect red lipstick right here. But now, since I love this formula so much, I'm so excited to get it in even more colors. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and if you have any favorite colors that I should try out. Wow, this is just all around so awesome. I highly recommend it. I really couldn't ask for anything more from this product. It does everything I was hoping for and everything I want. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.